VPN, Virtual Private Network. This is a highly secure, encrypted connection established over the public internet. When an employee is working from a coffee shop, they must use this specific software tunnel to safely access internal corporate servers without exposing sensitive company data to hackers on the local Wi-Fi. VRAM, Video Random Access Memory. This is a specialized type of high-speed memory physically soldered directly onto a computer graphics card. It is strictly dedicated to storing the image data that the graphics processing unit needs to render complex three-dimensional scenes and ultra-high-definition video on your monitor. WAN, Wide Area Network. This is a massive telecommunications network that extends over a large geographic area. It is the core networking infrastructure that connects smaller local area networks together, allowing a company's headquarters in New York to seamlessly communicate with a branch office in California. WAP, Wireless Access Point. This is a networking hardware device that allows other Wi-Fi devices to connect to a wired network. You will physically mount these devices to office ceilings and connect them to network switches to blanket the entire building with a strong, reliable wireless signal. WEP, Wired Equivalent Privacy. This is an obsolete and highly vulnerable wireless security protocol from the late 1990s. You must memorize this for the exam purely to know that you should absolutely never use it on a modern network, because a novice hacker can easily crack its encryption password in just a few minutes. Windows Remote Management. This is a built-in Microsoft command line tool that allows administrators to remotely execute scripts and manage configuration settings across multiple Windows computers. You will use this powerful administration framework to remotely restart services or pull diagnostic logs from a server without ever using a graphical remote desktop session. WISP, Wireless Internet Service Provider. While the exam acronym list officially defines this as a written internet service provider, in the actual exam objectives and the real world, it stands for Wireless Internet Service Provider. These are specific telecommunications companies that provide internet access to rural homes and businesses using large, point-to-point microwave antennas instead of laying miles of expensive underground fiber optic cables. WLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. This is a local computer network that links two or more devices using wireless communication within a limited area, such as a home, school, or office building. When you connect your smartphone to your home Wi-Fi router, you are actively participating in this exact type of localized wireless network. WPA, Wi-Fi Protected Access. This is a family of wireless security protocols designed specifically to secure wireless computer networks, replacing the flawed WEP standard. As a technician, you will typically configure modern routers to use version 2 or version 3 of this protocol, ensuring that all wireless traffic is protected by the strong advanced encryption standard. WWAN, Wireless Wide Area Network. This is a form of wireless network that uses cellular network technologies such as LTE or 5G to transfer data over large geographic areas. You will rely on this specific technology when you equip a fleet of corporate delivery trucks with cellular tablets so the drivers can always access the internet while out on the road. XAA, Anything as a Service. This is a broad, overarching term that describes the vast array of cloud computing services delivered over the internet. It simply means that a company is paying a monthly subscription to rent their software, their storage servers, and their network infrastructure from a large cloud provider, rather than buying and maintaining the physical hardware themselves. XDR, Extended Detection and Response. This is a highly advanced cybersecurity platform that automatically collects and correlates data across multiple security layers, including emails, endpoints, servers, and cloud workloads. Unlike older antivirus software that only looks at a single laptop, this massive system provides a security team with a complete, network-wide picture of a complex cyberattack. XFS Extended File System. This is a highly scalable, high-performance file system commonly used in enterprise Linux operating systems. You will format massive hard drives with this specific file system when building a large data server because it excels at handling extremely large files and executing multiple read and write operations at the exact same time. XXS Cross-Site Scripting. While the exam document writes this as XXS, the entire cybersecurity industry universally refers to this as XSS. It is a dangerous web security vulnerability where a hacker injects malicious programming scripts into a legitimate, trusted website. If a web developer does not properly sanitize user input, a hacker can use this attack to steal the session cookies and login credentials of anyone who visits that infected web page.